Okay, our final make and take of the evening. We are going to be doing an all-purpose freshener. A lot of times we just call this carpet freshener, but literally you can use this on your sinks, your shoes, your carpet, your car, your trash can, like the sky's the limit, right? In my house, in every bathroom, my sink or for our tub, I just have a big bucket of baking soda in there and I just dump some in there. And my sinks, I have it in here because this is what I usually clean my sinks with, right? This is the same concept of what other things we've been making. Whenever you have a recipe with baking soda, this is the key of how to get the oils to disperse. And so this is what I want to make sure you really know how to do. Because whether you're making the carpet freshener or your toothpaste or your foot scrub or bath salts or whatever it is, this is how you do it. So how I had it is I gave people choices. I hate to have a separate sign for everything, and I like to be like sort of concise. So it says 10 drops of purification, or Christmas spear, or 5 of lemon and 5 of lemongrass, or another nice one is pine and lemongrass. Right? I don't care what someone uses, and that's just what I like to do. So this is calls for a cup and a half of baking soda. So the key is, once again, in case you saw no other videos, look at this. If I just go like this and I put a drop, my 5 drops of lemongrass in here, it's going to be a big clump right here in the middle, right? And trying to disperse this one clump right there amongst all this is going to be a little rough. So what I rather have people do is when you get your measurement, only take out a little bit of that baking soda and put your oils that you're going to use in there. I used to love cleaning with pine sol, so I like to use pine and lemongrass. And so there's a little bit of baking soda. So now, obviously, because it's lemongrass and it's a color, it has a little yellow hint to it, you can see it. Otherwise, you can't really see it. Pine and peppermint is clear, so you can't see it. So you really just have to smear these out until it totally disperses. When you think you're done, shake your bowl like you're gold panning, and then see if there's any more lumps and make sure those will get dispersed. And then you can pour in a little bit more of your baking soda and disperse it around with everything. So this is like when you're cleaning. Every time I shake this in my sink, when it's clean, when it's being cleaned, you just can always smell it and get a whiff of it, and it smells very nice. So obviously this is only a cup, but it calls for a cup and a half. And you gotta smoosh out these lumps, otherwise they're not gonna come out in general. So I have to get another half of a cup. Like that. This is like the easiest, best thing ever. I have mostly hardwood floors in my house. I still mix essential oils and baking soda, and I even put it in spots in the house for the hardwood floors because it makes my vacuum smell better. I have 2 dogs, and so sometimes the vacuum smells like dog. I don't know. So look at, all you do, instead of having to get a funnel, you're just gonna go like this, and it acts as a funnel, which is very convenient. So this is why I like using the paper bowls. Just tap it and it'll go down a couple inches and finish filling it up. I get the pizza shakers. Now, this is the thing. If you haven't watched any of the other videos yet, we have the recipes for all these. We have these cards. We have where we get the products from. I need to hit this on something harder, but we have all this so you don't have to try to figure out where to go buy all these things on your own. Of course, you can go buy whatever you want to buy. It doesn't matter. We're just trying to help give you a guide if you're new at doing this. These shakers outrageously cost like $2.50 or more on Amazon. So what the best place to do is go to your local dollar store to see if they have them, because our dollar store, 2 of our dollar stores has these, and they're $1 each versus $2.50 to $3 each. So the dollar store is cheaper. So check out a couple of yours, okay? When you buy these, I went through all that I bought and I tested the lids at them, because sometimes lids don't work very well. Like I just realized on this one, I hope this didn't happen to anyone else, but like this lid, you just can keep turning in circles. That is not what we're looking for. And you surely don't want this lid to pop off when you're trying to clean something. So before you buy this, I always untwist them all, make sure they twist on good and it's easy for someone before you do a make and take or give it as a present. So literally now if I go to my sink, I just go like this and I shake what I need in my sink, and then that's it. and I'm done. So you can put this in someone's shoes, once again, on the carpet. It's messed up. You can put it wherever you need to put it, okay? If you had just, I wouldn't brush my teeth with pine and lemongrass because that'd be pretty nasty. If you just had this be thieves and peppermint, or a Christmas spirit, this is a great one to smell in here, or cinnamon bark, then you can even brush your teeth with this. So that's it. Okay, I hope you guys, hope this has helped, and we'll make sure you get all the information with the files. And this is just something fun you can do for making takes, and I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.